my decree.
Adi Shokri, build me a colossal tree. Its trunk must be of pure crystalline diamond, its leaves shimmering emerald, so dense that not a single ray of sun, not even a sunbeam's whisper, can intrude. High strain, demanding tenor, roaring tone, emphasizing slightly stretched diamond and sunbeams whisper. Narata, the populace whispered of doom. The king will surely have stripped us naked and starved us to death. But any mouth that opened was met with savage silence. Somber lower register, introduce a faint Aichi string background here. Lies waiting, despite hissing that intensicate. He thrust a trembling finger toward the sentinel guards and shrieked the command that sealed their fate. Kill them all. But the minister on the right hand said, Your Majesty, if 40 guards are executed every day, your army will be wiped out in a few days. It is better that you throw them all into the dungeons and station other guards by the tree. Thus the minister saved the necks of the soldiers with great difficulty and had them sent to the dungeon. The princes, the king had 3 young sons. The eldest of them was the first to approach his father and say, Father, if you grant me permission tonight, I shall stand guard by the tree. I will surely catch the thief. The king agreed. As night began, the eldest prince kept vigil by the tree late into the hours. But then his eyes grew heavy and he fell asleep. The moment the king's eyes opened, he saw that the hole between the leaves of the tree had grown 3-fold. The king immediately condemned his eldest son to death and had him cast into the dungeon. Now the king's middle son spoke to his father, Father, now I shall stand guard by the tree. If I fail to catch the thief, then have me executed alongside my brother. Success did not favor the middle son either. After midnight, sleep too overpowered him. By the time morning broke, another empty space had appeared amongst the leaves, a space as large as a dinner plate. In his fury, the king's eyes seemed to climb onto his forehead, much like a cat whose throat is choked by a large piece of fat. Executioners, the king shrieked. But just then, the youngest prince spoke up. If you grant permission, I will protect the tree with my bow and arrow. I shall shoot and kill the thief. Thanks. Authored by Mohammed Ibrahim Butt. From the My Book of Stories 1. The sweet-voiced nightingale.